into my life as a world brand new. Every step I take now leads me closer to you. With every smile you hear my scars. You're the amazing piece of who we are. In your arms I find my place. In your eyes, sweet embrace. No word can capture what I feel. You make my broken heart heal. Complete my love, you're all I need. The only truth in a world of dreams. To fill the space I didn't know. With every moment my love grows. Complete my love, make me whole. You're the keeper of my heart and soul. I've searched the skies, I've chased the stars, but nothing shines as bright as you are. You bring the calm, you ease the pain, like the sun that follows every rain. You are my reason, you are my light, my guiding star through endless night. With every touch, my heart aligns. A love so pure, it feels divine. Complete my love, you're all I need. The only truth in a world of dreams. You fill the space I didn't know. With every moment my love grows. Complete my love, make me whole. You're the keeper of my heart and soul. With you I'm never lost, I'm never alone. You've built a home in my heart of stone. No mountain too high, no ocean too high. With you I always find my strength. Complete my love, you're all I need. The only truth in a world of dreams. You fill the space I didn't know. With every moment my love grows. Complete my love, make me whole. You're the keeper of my heart and soul.